Method overriding lets child classes customize the inherited behavior. Just like different animals make different sounds, but they all have the same MakeSound method, overriding allows specialized implementations while maintaining a consistent interface. The parent class marks a method as virtual using the virtual keyword. Child classes then override it using the override keyword with their own implementation. The method signature stays the same, but the behavior changes. When you call dog.makeSound, it barks, but when you call cat.makeSound, it meows. This is polymorphism in action, where one interface has many implementations. The virtual and the override keywords ensure that the correct method runs based on the actual object type at runtime, not the variable type. This makes your call flexible and extensible without breaking existing functionality.